Omo my people, this weekend go hot. Over 10 private jets has already touched down in Warri, Delta State for the wedding ceremony of Sosobrekun. It's going to be massive. Celebrities, musicians, billionaires has all touched down in Delta State for the wedding ceremony. It's going to be massive this weekend from the likes of Zlatan Ibile, Inedo, Ike Obona, Two-Face, a lot of celebrities, Juliet Ibrahim and the rest of them has already touched down for the wedding ceremony going down this weekend. I'll be sharing with you how they touched down and the amount of luxurious cars that is picking them up and ready for this is going to be massive.
Give it up for the man of the moment. Yeah. This is some VIP-ish.
You're tired.
Hey, ladies. Ladies of the Sosa Mansion.
That's the word. Yes.
So can you tell me a little bit about your journey? When did you guys come in?
The deadly house. Bring that come outside. Your mama see